when I had ulcer, it was this juice that actually helped me to cure my ulcer in 7 days. And in this video today, I'm going to be showing you this juice, how to make the juice, and other things you can actually use to cure your ulcer very fast without antibiotics or without any medication. If you want to learn how to make this juice, please watch the video to the end. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, like I said, we are making juice that will help you to cure ulcer in 7 days. Most times it's not even up to 7 days before you can start feeling the magic happening with your stomach lining. And why we make this juice, we are going to be using cabbage, carrot, apple and cucumber. Mind you, as you note that the large part of this is cabbage. If you don't have a juicer, because you're going to be using a juicer, if you don't have a juicer, you can go ahead and use your blender, blend it all up and then squeeze it out if you don't have a juicer. Okay, so one of the things about ulcer is that makes it like something that people live with almost all their life is because they keep going back to things that make the ulcer worse. Things like spicy food. If you know that you have ulcer, please avoid spicy food, avoid citrus food, especially like lemon. Avoid raw tomatoes, alcohol, caffeine, and even fried foods. They can worsen your ulcer. And skipping meals or eating late at night can even take the ulcer to another level. And some painkillers like ibuprofen or aspirin can also cause ulcer too. There are even some particular malaria medication that if they contain lumefantrine, they can worsen your ulcer. So it's always best when you have malaria and you went to the doctor, let them know you have ulcer, so that when prescribing a particular medication for you, they won't prescribe something that will make it worse. Okay, and also avoid stress, because stress worsens ulcer symptoms and slows the healing process. Okay, also try exercise, breathing exercise, praying, and also resting very well after meal. Okay, so this thing right here now, I'm not going to discard it. I'm going to add it to my stew or my sauce. I like to make anything I have as when I juice. I don't discard my pulp. I don't discard it. I use them in sauce. So I freeze them so I can simply add them in smoothie later. Or the best thing I do
If you watch the video to this point, let me know in the comment section.
So I'll be sharing other things that we
let me
can
know if
also
you're going to
use.
be
Food you
making
can
this
also use
right
in the
in the
description
comment section.
below or in the comment section
so
below.
this size of bottle can last you for 2 days, and after we should make another one. It's best even if you can make it fresh every day. So use the quantity that can last you every day, per cup, and you'll be good to go. And if you have not subscribed, please do so, and please share the video with somebody.